Want to turn any icon into a pixelated 3D style masterpiece using ChatGPT? This method is crazy simple and you only need one prompt and a few images. Here's what you need before we jump in. A reference image of pixelated icons. I've got one for you in the description. A colored icon or logo you want to transform. Optional. A third image if you want to pull colors from a specific palette. Once you've got your images, go to ChatGPT with image input enabled. Upload them in this order. First, the reference image with the pixel style. Second, your icon. Optional. Third, your color palette image. Now paste this exact prompt. Style the icon in the second photo in the same pixelated style as the icons in the first image. Give it the same color, solid black background. Want to use your custom palette? Just change the color line to give it the same color palette as the third image. And that's it. You've got a pixel-styled icon fully custom in seconds. If that saved you time, hit subscribe for more fast design hacks.